I am R. Lakshmi, Assistant Professor of English, Government Degree College, Hyderabad. Today's video lesson, Unit 4, Grammar, in which it is Connectives. In the previous video, we have learnt about the idioms, and in this unit it is the Connectives for semester 3 degree second year syllabus. What are the connectives? Connectives are a variety of words and phrases that can be used to link sentences and organize a text. Connectives help in establishing connections within and between sentences. These linking words are like signposts that indicate how ideas are connected to each other and how one idea leads to another. Just as signposts tell us what is coming next. Connectives help us anticipate what is coming next in the paragraphs. Connectives thus help the reader move smoothly from one idea to another, from one paragraph to the next. Some examples which are given in the text where we make use of the connectives in a sentence. Just I read the sentence so that we can have awareness about the connectives. The first sentence, interest rates on home loans were cut. As a result, home construction increased. In this sentence, as a result is a connective. The hotel was not very expensive, yet there were not many customers. Yet is a connective used in this sentence. The next one, I will finish typing this. Meanwhile, you get the papers in order. Meanwhile is a connective in this sentence. Connectives convey different types of relations. They can be classified into different categories based on the function they perform. Adding connectives are used to add further information. So they are called additionally, or they give additional information in a sentence. Sequencing connectives help develop the logical sequence of ideas and show a chronological order. That is, systematically become after the in order in a sequence. Initially, latter, and so on. Emphasizing connectives help highlight certain points. In a sentence, we make use of a word such as specially. It means we want to highlight a particular point, even that is a connective. Comparing connectives compare two ideas to show similarity. For example, he is clever, similarly his brother is intelligent. So this is comparing connective. Then contrasting connectives. Difference between two ideas. Example, I am tall whereas my sister is short. Whereas is a connective where we are using in the contrasting form of sentence, giving two different ideas. Cause and effect connectives. We explain why something happens. The girl missed her bus. Consequently, she was late for her class. Giving the cause and the effect. This is the connective used here. Consequently. Because the bus was late, the bus was missed, the girl was late to the class. Illustrating connectives that provide a descriptive information. For example, she eats a lot of fruits such as apples, bananas, watermelons, etc. Going on describing. So that is illustrative connectives. So in today's lesson, in today's video, I just go on giving the examples of varieties of connectives that we have to make use of for the given exercises in the text. Exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3. So each exercise is based on a variety of a different. One is the simple connective. Then we have to make use of the appropriate connectives according to the given exercises. So I just list out the connectives that can be made use of. Connectives are the words joining phrases or parts of sentences, etc. The word and is a frequent connective in English. Connectives are also conjunctions or linkers. Conjunctions are termed as linkers. Some conjunctions are connectives that join two parts of a sentence are called coordinating conjunctions. Examples: and, therefore, however, while, but, or, etc. are called coordinating conjunctions. Some coordinating conjunctions are in pairs. For example, either or, neither nor, not only, but also, etc. Some conjunctions join two clauses of a sentence. So they are called subordinating conjunction. Examples: as soon as, unless, if, since, before, after, because, when, why, though, although, how, etc. These are all subordinating conjunctions which are used in a clauses of a sentence. There is a note that we have to remember. Some relative pronouns like that, who, which, what, etc. are also used as connectives or conjunctions. And is used to join similar facts or statements in a sentence. For example, she typed the letter and sent it to the principal. But is usually used to express contrast between two statements. For example, he is rich but he is humble. Or are is used to express a choice between two alternatives. For example, you can pay cash or you can give a check. Again, we have to remember as a note, either or is used in a positive meaning, positive sentence. Whereas neither nor is used only in a negative form of sentence. The connectives so, because and since are used to indicate cause or the result. Some examples for all these listed or mentioned connectives. For example, I was not well, so I did not go to office. So is a connective. I wasn't feeling hungry because I had a square meal at noon. Because, cause and effect. Though he worked hard, he could not succeed. Again the cause and effect. Though he worked hard, he could not succeed. Though is a connective. Although my brother helped me, I could not complete the project in time. Although again is a connective. If is used, if and unless are connectives used to express condition. For example, if you apply in time, you will get the seat. That gives a affirmative meaning, that is, it gives a positive meaning. Whereas if I make use of unless, it will give a negative meaning. For example, you will not be granted leave unless you apply for it. So these are all the various sentences or various kinds of varieties of connectives which are used with the appropriate context, which are already given in the text in the box to make use of. So some of the examples I have given in this video lesson. The remaining exercises we will do in the next video lesson. Thank you.